Meanwhile, dito tayo ngayon. Umuulan na naman.
Sakto paglabas ng office.
Minsan talaga si backpack eh.
Ewan ko ba? Yung ulan eh. Ayan,
dahil umuulan, hihigip tayo ng sabaw. Lomi time! Paras pala yun, di Lomi tuloy. Paras tayo ngayon. At babiyay ulit! Makulimlim na naman at masama ang panahon. Yun, habang inaantay natin, bumibili si backpack. Si human backpack bumibili oh. Ayan. Favorite niya yan eh.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
Few moments later.
Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
Ayun, ito yung balot. Tapos liit lang pala, akala ko napakarami. Kasi anong pinakain ng ano,
Fake news.
na ano, pero goods masarap naman.
Ito yung sa akin. Shawarma.
Yeah.
Kain na po.
Kainin natin si ano, si backpack. Human backpack ko, makakainin. Unang tiki.
Mainit.
Ay.
Paso. Napaso agad. Natikim paso.
Uy, hindi ko nakuhanan yung unang subo ah.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Pwede.
Goods. So hinahanap ko yung ano eh, Carolina Reaper eh. Wala. Iba na pala na yun.
Si akin karon na lang.
Vlog na lang pala yun.